it's meant to be, it'll be, baby, just let it be. So
hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, well, first of all, if you're new, thank you for clicking on this video and welcome. Make sure you subscribe as well as thumbs up this video. But today you guys, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I mentioned in my previous vlog / video that I was going to be trying to incorporate more content on my channel. So any video suggestions that you have, please feel free to leave those below. I actually got this idea from Tashelle, so you guys definitely make sure you check out Tashelle. I think it's Tashelle in 3. Definitely make sure you check out Tashelle's channel. I'll try to remember to link that below so you guys can check it out. She suggested that I do like a What's on Brandy's tablet, and her tablet is currently not charging, so we gotta invest in another one. But I feel like it would be an awesome idea for me to do a What's on my iPhone. I actually have the iPhone 7 Plus, so I feel like it'd be really cool to show you guys some of the apps that I have. Just in case you have the apps as well, we can kind of be friends on the app. So, you know, follow each other on the apps. Or if there's an app that I have and you guys are interested in using it, it gives you an opportunity to check out that app and get a little bit more information about the app. So once again, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe bell, well, subscribe button, and then the notification bell beside it, you guys. So let me get on and to show you guys what I have on my iPhone. So let me show you guys my iPhone first. Like I stated, I have the iPhone 7 Plus. I actually have the rose gold. I did an unboxing when I first got this phone, so I'll make sure to list it either in the iCard or it'll be at the end of this video. And I have this really cute strawberry case that I got from either Rose Gal or Gamis. At the time that I got it, it was for a sponsored video, but this video is not sponsored. But if you guys are interested in this case, definitely check it out. I can't remember exactly which website I got it from, but all of their cases are really inexpensive. So yeah, let me show you guys what I got on my phone. That's what y'all came for. So when you first click on my phone, it's a picture of my babies, Ban Ban and Dante, of course. Who else would be on my lock screen? Who else? My day-to-day motivation, you guys. So let me go ahead and set up my screen recorder so you guys can watch it on the side. Alright, and I need to put my phone on charge, y'all. Multitasking. Okay, so when you first unlock the screen, I have 4 pictures of me, you guys. These are 4 pictures that I took when I was much slimmer, and I'm currently on my weight loss journey, so it's kind of helping me out. It's every time I unlock my phone, I'm constantly reminded of how I used to look. So to me, it's like motivation to say, Brittany, you got this. Or you can, if you need a little bit more motivation for something that you want to achieve, a goal you want to achieve, I highly recommend you setting it as a screensaver on your phone, or just like a little small picture inside on a big picture. However you want to do it, I highly recommend you selecting a picture as your background for your motivation. So when I first unlocked my screen, it's pretty basic. Like my first screen is really basic. So I have my calendar, which I barely use unless I want to know like what date does July 5th fall on. I barely use it. I have my clock app, and I actually use that to set my alarms. I have 3 alarms set, 2 normally like 10 to 5 minutes apart for when I need to wake up, and then I have the 3rd one set for the time that I actually need to leave the house. I do use my timer because I'm back to working out again, so I use my timer. I guess I could use my stopwatch, but I use my timer. Productivity, let's see, oh yeah, I use Google. I use it for Google as well as I use Maps. I rarely use weather because I have like the little, what is it called, widget, I think is what it's called, on one of the screens of my iPhone that I can just kind of slide over and look at the weather, and it tells me what the weather is going to be versus coming in the app. So next productivity folder that I have, it has reminders and notes, wallet, and stocks. I do use reminders. I use reminders, and a couple of you guys asked for budgeting videos that I will be getting out for you guys. I just don't know when, but I will definitely be doing those. So I use the reminder app to help me budget. It reminds me of all my bills that I have coming up. I'll just show you guys the bills. It reminds me of all my bills I have coming up. It gives me a monthly reminder as well as a weekly reminder. I use my weekly reminder for like gas and daycare, after school care, and my monthly for like my rent, my car payment, car insurance, my monthly bills. And I have them set up to when I get paid. Like my monthly is set up twice a month, like I get paid twice a month. Notes, I do use notes a lot. I actually have some notes in there, but it's kind of private and personal, so I'm not going to show you guys notes. And you probably will see a message pop up because I'm in the middle of messaging my friends. Okay, so at the bottom the basic app, the little basic phone icon. Everybody has that. You know, everybody has on their phone. Next is my Brit's Important Stuff folder. Excuse me. I have my messages, my South State, my PayPal, Yahoo Mail, as well as Dosh. These are the apps that I try to check on a day-to-day basis. Dosh I don't really check as much, and PayPal not as much. But being that it's pertaining to money, I try to keep it in this folder and not necessarily change it and move anything around. My Yahoo Mail is actually that full because I haven't went through my mail yet. I actually need to go through my mail so I can see exactly what's all in there, but I haven't checked my mail for today, but that's normal how many emails I have per day. So I need to go through and check them. My Dosh app, I do use it. I still get cash back on some of the purchases that I make, especially like Papa John's and different clothing stores that I go to. Right now, I want to say, I could be wrong, but I want to say they do. Dosh app currently has where if you refer a friend, you get $25. So my link will be below. If you guys want to click on that link and download the app, you more than welcome to. No pressure, more than welcome to. As well as whenever you download the app, you add your card and you recommend people to, you send out your link to like your family and your friends. If they download the app and add their card, you'll get $25 for each person. So 4 people that you recommend or that you send your referral code to and they actually use it and add their card to the account will give you $100. So yeah, just in case you want that link, the link will be below in the description box. So that's pretty much it that I have in my Brit's Important Stuff. My next folder is photographs. I have my camera as well as my photos, which is apps that I'm always using. So yeah, pretty much self-explanatory. Next little folder is my app store as well as my settings, pretty much explanatory. I don't really update my apps like I should because I feel like it causes the actual app to move slower as well as my phone and use up more storage, so I don't update them like I should, but to each his own. So my next screen, you guys, is like my busy screen. It's like the screen that I'm majority on, like I'm always on this screen. It has my FaceTime, which I barely use. I don't really FaceTime anyone. My calculator I do use if I need it. My extras, I really don't use my extras. What I did was all the apps that came on iPhone that I wasn't using or didn't need to use, I put all of those in my extra folder. Second job, that is considered my YouTube folder. I could have put YouTube folder, but I chose to put second job. I love doing YouTube, but YouTube is kind of like a second job to me, you know, because I have a full-time job, so it's kind of like my second job. But I have my YouTube studio. For all of my YouTubers out there, my YouTube friends, they know that you need to have your YouTube studio because your YouTube studio will save you a whole lot of time. You can change your thumbnail, look at comments. I reply to my comments here. It just helps me keep everything composed, everything in under one little app. I have the YouTube app, which I'm always on. I'm always on the YouTube app, you guys. Let's see. Watching my fellow YouTubers, so I'm always up here watching something, so I gotta make sure I'm on my YouTube app. I have PhotoGrid. PhotoGrid is something that I use to edit my thumbnails. Most of the time what I'll do with PhotoGrid is I will compose like 4 screenshots that I took from a vlog or a video and compose it here and edit it and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna actually hit exit so I can show you guys. This is a photo that I just took for this company that I'll be working with. I'm super excited. But you can actually go through, you can go on, take your picture, you can go on filter. You can use all the different filters that they have. They have a good bit of filters. So you can use the filters. You can as well as crop it if you want to make it smaller or bigger. You can draw on it, you can add text, you can do a background, you can do a text bubble, all that good stuff. So I really do love photograph. I feel like PhotoGrid is a necessity for me to do my thumbnails. Alright, so then I have my Spectrum TV. I'm going to talk about Spectrum TV and IDGo channel together. Spectrum TV and IDGo is like I need those apps. Especially when I'm on the go and I have a little bit of downtime. I love watching those apps. My Spectrum TV, I used to watch it a whole lot when I was sitting in the car on my lunch break and eating my lunch. And I always had this app to keep me entertained. I could catch up on all of my shows. Any shows I miss, I could catch up on them. So if you have Spectrum TV, definitely make sure you get the app. IDGo is like one of my top channels. It ain't my top, it in the very, very top, but it's one of my top channels that I love to watch. I'm always watching the ID channel, so I gotta have the IDGo. I need the app because I'm always watching the IDGo. Well, I'm always watching the ID channel. My next app that I have is BeFunky. BeFunky is also another app that I use to do my thumbnails. Once I compose it and put the 4 pictures together and put the filter on that I want on it, I'll go on BeFunky, and you can actually go up here. Let's see, you can actually go up here and play around with photos as well. I'll just my thumbnail from last video. I normally add my text from here. Let's see, let's just type some. I normally add my text here. You can edit your text. You can change the font of your text, do all different fonts. You can change the color, the background color if you want of the font. You can change the actual text color if you want to do it that way. They have like effects that you can put on the picture. You can add little like images to the pictures, little stickers, all these different things that you can add to your picture, your thumbnail. Or if you don't do thumbnail, if you want to add a picture, add or edit a picture for social media. So it's a really, really good app, and both of those apps was free, but that's what I used to edit my thumbnail. And then my Canon Connect app. I love this app, you guys. I actually downloaded this app when I brought this phone. When I brought this camera. I should have downloaded the app with G7X, but I don't think I had the app then. But I love it because I'm able to export my videos from my camera to my phone, upload them, do videos, put on my phone, upload them. So I really do love the Canon Camera Connect app. It saves me some time, you guys. It saves me some time. So I got another productivity folder. I have my Sprint because that's who my phone is serviced to, Sprint. Credit Karma because I'm trying to at least check my credit at least up to 3 times a month. I know I'm not doing anything while I'm constantly running my credit, but I still like to keep an eye on my credit. Highly recommend you guys keep an eye on your credit as well. So definitely download the app if you don't have it on your phone. Robinhood is actually an app Michael told me about, and it's an app basically when you sign up they give you a stock, and that stock continues to grow. You can cash it out whenever you feel like you want to cash out. You can cash it out. Sorry, I was trying to show you how much I had on my stock. And it's not much, and when it's red like this, that means it went down. When it's green, that means it went up. So that's all I have in that folder. Social media is basically self-explanatory, you guys. Y'all know social media. Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all 3 of those is Miss Aretha if you're interested in following me. And that's a good way if you want to message me or ask me any kind of questions. That's a good way to reach out to me because I can respond to you guys a little bit faster than versus you leaving a comment. I still have to go through everybody's comment and reply. So if you want to just say something directly to me or get to me a little bit quicker, definitely hit me up on Instagram, which is Miss Aretha. My Twitter, which I need to start tweeting better, but it's also Miss Aretha if it comes up. It's also Miss Aretha if you guys are looking for me on Twitter. Snapchat is also Miss Aretha if you guys are looking for me on Snapchat. Okay, there we go. If you guys look for me on Snapchat, it's also Miss Aretha. So feel free to follow me on any of those social medias. Feel free to hit me up on any of those social medias. So next is Messenger. I'm not going to Messenger because I do have some messages and I don't want to expose anybody's name and all that good stuff. Nothing bad, but just I don't want to put anybody's information out there. Facebook, I barely be on Facebook, but if you message me on Facebook, it will come to my phone, so I can reply to your message. Let me show you guys my profile. My profile on Facebook is actually my name. I created for the purpose of this channel. So it's the Good, the Bad, the Life for Brittany. So if you guys are looking to message me on Facebook or you want to know my Facebook or any of that good stuff, it's the Good, the Bad, the Life for Brittany. HQ is actually this app that one of my coworkers told me about. It's a really fun app. Basically, you can win money by answering a series of questions. You get about like 15 questions. You answer all 15 questions, you win $5,000. So it's split between you and whoever else wins. One night they had $25,000, but you have to answer the question correct to get to the next question. I normally only get to like question 5, but hey, it's a good way to earn some extra money. Notice, I've not won anything yet, but it's a good way to earn some extra money. My next folder is saving money, you guys, and this will also be discussed whenever I do my budgeting video. I will also talk about this. I have the Dollar General app and the Family Dollar app. Both of these apps are really convenient because from the app you can go ahead and add your digital coupons, and you can also see your weekly ads. I'm not going to go all into it because I don't want to make this video too long. Family Dollars is the same thing. You can also see your coupons. You can go to your weekly ads. If you want to add some stuff to your list, you can add some stuff to your list. They send you coupons, which is really cool. If the people like at Family Dollars, if their machine is down, you can also get them to scan the little barcode. So I'm always on those apps, always adding coupons to those apps just in case I need to use them. Walmart, Mercari, and LetGo is basically like shopping apps. Y'all already know those. Those are shopping apps. I'm on Walmart, always ordering a lot of stuff. Mercari and LetGo, I actually found this camera on Mercari, so I keep Mercari up whenever I'm looking for something. I'm still on the lookout for a G7X, but I stated I was going to buy a brand new one, but if I find one reasonable on either one of these apps, I'm going to go for it. Okay, guys. So Ibotta is another really good app for getting cash back. I love this app so far, you guys. So far, I received like $22.50 off this app. Basically, what I do is I go to the store, buy what I need to buy, come back on this app, look and see if there's anything I can get cash back off of, and it's sold, and I select it, scan my receipt, and bam, I get my money back. I'm actually at $24. And I get my money back. They have like little bonuses that you can enter into just by spending money. You get these little bonuses, so I love this app so far. It's really helping me save a whole lot of money. Next app I have is this Lose It app, which is an app that I'm currently losing to help me maintain staying under my calorie count. Right now I'm at 1,300 calories. Some days I go over, some days I don't. It's a little bit low the line only because I'm currently working out. I make sure to get on my exercise bike, which you guys can probably see part of it. But I like this Lose It app, and if you're using the app Lose It, definitely hit me up because there is a way where we can be social and I can add you guys as friends. So definitely hit me up if you are on Lose It. But I like it. It helps me keep track of my weight. These are all the goals that I previously got when I lost weight the first time. So it gives you like little goals or whatever, or a little what's it called, badges. I'm calling it badges. Whenever you achieve a goal, it keeps track of your weight. I ain't gonna show you guys my weight, but it keeps track of your weight and everything you eat. Only thing you have to do is scan the barcode. So yeah, so I really do like it. You can add in your exercise as well. So really cool app. And then I have this other app that I just recently added to my phone. I like it because it's like little weight loss tips, little weight loss motivation. Normally I'll look at one and I'll just go through it or whatever. I'll read about 3 of them and then leave it at that. But just little tips and tricks to help you with your weight loss journey. And let's see. This one, I don't want to show too much. I know I had notes up here, I believe. No, I had my address up here. Okay, so for my Lose It, it's telling me how many calories I have left. It's telling me what alarms I have set. My little widgets tell me what alarms I have set, as well as the apps that I just recently used. And then the weather. And this is what I'm talking about. I normally just click on this. Okay, I normally click on this and it tells me the weather. Okay? And then, you know, you can click on it normally for more details if you want more details. And you can kind of go over and then to tell you what the weather's going to be for that day. But yeah, you guys, so this concludes everything that I have on my iPhone. I'm sorry this video was extremely long. But I just want to share with you guys what all I have on my iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel as I have stated before. Any other video suggestions that you guys have for me, please leave those listed below. Any questions that you guys have, please list those below. And any great apps that you think I would really like, definitely leave those below. As you guys can see, I don't have many gaming apps on my phone, so any gaming apps that you guys would recommend, definitely leave those below. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.
If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. So won't you ride?